Hi, I just wanted to go over the arthropod biology comparison assignment here. The learning intention, we're learning about specific structures on organisms' bodies to show how they help them survive in their environment. Again, kind of looking at form and function here. Success criteria, I'll be successful when I can describe the functions of specific parts of an arthropod's anatomy, and I can make comparisons between the anatomy of two different arthropods. So I want you to analyze the diagrams of both the grasshopper and the crayfish. So I have these provided. These are from the zoology coloring book. So again, here's the grasshopper, as well as here is, again, the text directly taken from the zoology coloring book that accompanies those illustrations. And you'll notice here that the body parts that we're going to be paying attention to are put into a bold type font there. And again, here's the crayfish diagram as well, and the accompanying paragraphs that go with that. So those are the diagrams I want you to analyze. Each diagram also has some paragraphs to help describe the function of each of the body parts on these arthropods. So again, look for that bold text to help you identify a certain body part and kind of read through the description of what does it do. Answers the questions related to each specific arthropod, then answer the reflection questions comparing the two arthropods to each other. The letter that goes with each body part is included to help you examine the diagrams. So, for example, the first grasshopper question is, what is the function of the antennae, which is labeled B for the grasshopper? So you can see here on the view of the grasshopper's head, B here leads to the antenna. Same thing here on the side view. B indicates that body part. So you would look through the accompanying text to figure out, okay, what does the antennae do? You may also have a sense of it just based on its location in the body, what you've seen this animal do before with those body parts. So similar questions here for different appendages on both the grasshopper and the crayfish. Then we've got these 4 reflection questions at the very end. What similarities did you notice between the grasshopper and the crayfish? So remember, we're dealing with arthropods in this case. Both of them are arthropods. So what is sort of similar? What's something that is a unifying quality for all arthropods? Why would you expect these two animals to have those similarities? Think about, what does it mean for them to both be arthropods? 14, what differences did you notice between the grasshopper and the crayfish? Again, they're not totally the same. So what differences did you observe? And then finally, why would you expect these two animals to have those differences? Again, think about that relationship of form and function. What is different about both of these organisms that would cause these differences to pop up? So again, pretty straightforward, just helps us to get into the functions of those jointed appendages that are one of the things that is a feature of Arthropoda. So this will be a good chance for you to compare 2 examples from this group.